Hi, I'm Steve Barrett, the director of the Wildwood Outreach Center at Wildwood School in Los Angeles. As educators, we know that advisory is crucial for helping students to find connection, purpose, and a sense of belonging. But the role of an advisor is a challenging one. Most of us weren't professionally trained for it, and with the limited time that we often have for advisory, we sometimes feel that we don't always serve our students as well as we could. And that's why I'm excited to invite you to my ISACS workshop on December 6th. It's called Advisory is Essential: Refine and Rediscover Your Advisor's Mindset. In this session, we'll reflect on what you're already doing well and explore new ways to approach your role. Together, we'll apply the latest research on fostering student belonging and purpose. We'll delve into effective strategies that you can use in your advisory the next day, and we'll engage in hands-on activities designed to refresh your approach. With over 30 years of experience in education and more than a decade coaching advisors and advisory program leaders worldwide, I'm committed to helping you refine your advising practice. Join me, and let's work together to make a lasting difference in our students' lives. I look forward to seeing you there.